Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Study Desk of Anand. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Python interview question. So here we can see interviewer may ask you print the first 10 prime number. So prime number we know that like a number which is divisible by itself or 1 is called a prime number. So let's try to solve this problem using Python. Python, we know that it starts prime number. It starts with 2, so we can say number. By default, we are saying prime number is 2, and we wanted to print till 10, right? So we'll be printing till series 10, and we start our counter. So we'll say count equal to 0. Now, first thing we will be checking while our count is less than n, which is correct in our case. So we will be checking uh, if the number is prime. So let's say we have functions written to check a prime number. So I would say is prime is, and I'm passing number. So I'm going to write a function called is prime that will just check whether the number which we are passing is prime or no. And if it is prime number, then it will return true, else it will return false. So I am just writing this prime number. I will be passing this number here. First thing we will be checking if number is less than 2. So in this case, if it is less than 2, which is means this is not a prime number, and we will simply return false. Now, next thing we will do, we will iterate the number which has been sent to us. So, and we will be dividing that number with next number. So let's say if 5 is being sent as a prime number to check, then we will be just dividing from range from 2 to square root of number. So in case of 5, we know that the nearest square root will be 4 of square root 2. So we'll be saying 2 plus 1 is 3. So we will be dividing uh, 5 by 2 and 3 just to check if the given number is prime or not. So let's write that code for in range 2 comma, it's not number, so I will be using this num into 0.5. This will give me the square root of number which we are passing. So let's say for 25, right, the square root will be 5, and we will be adding 1. So we will be iterating loop from 2 to 5 just to divide if the number is divisible or no. So here what we'll be checking, if number which we are passing here, if it is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, in case of number is 25, if it is divisible, then we will be returning false. In case if it is not divisible, then we'll say return true. That will be our prime number. So this is how we will be checking a prime number. If it is prime number, then we will be printing the value which is the number we have passed, and will be separating by space, and will increase the counter so that we can check for the next one. Now we will increment the number 2 so that the next number can be checked here. Let's execute this and see if we are getting the prime number. So yeah, that we can see first 10 prime number we can see here 2, 3, 5, 7 till 29. These are the first 10 prime number. I repeat once again. So we have these 3 declare number starts with the prime number starts with 2. We need to check the first 10 prime number. We have a counter 0. So we are checking if count is less than n. Then we are first checking the prime conditions that we have mentioned here. If it is satisfied, which means like it is a prime number. If it is divisible, then it returns false. And we are just incrementing the count and number to move ahead. I hope you have understood how we can figure out the prime number sequence. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next. Happy learning.